Joe Ebusia for everybody, Ochicheko children. I greet everybody. Please, right now I'm at Lucious
Avenue.
Avenue.
AV. Hey, where is Legon? Avenue.
Yes, Avenue. Charlie, hey, it's all about say person looking nice. Say you would see your hair barbering and your hair.
So it's manicure, pedicure, barbering, dreadlocks, cutting, everything.
Yeah. Yes, and your branch is named, you know, your East Legon and I feel Ashalibotri.
East Legon,
that's it. Come in your numbers, come Baba, because here is where Ababa.
Okay.
And everybody Baba. So
yes, we are to a manicure.
And pedicure. So come and be nice and see everything nice. So here is Lucious Avenue. Come in your numbers. We say so. Blessings.
Active.
Yes, sir.
Madam, what are you? Media men found when mema befa and then myself. But Missy Kana watching them quad ye, don't you come me fancy I am crying. What's that? Wait. What is that? No, na baby da. Where am I? Hey. Masa, where am I? Where do you sika? Where do you sika? Be shoot somehow. Masa, you hear me tell you nkasa. Who bet you two? You hear me tell you nkasa. Who bet you two? Nani me? Remember. You hear me? You hear me tell you fruit nkasa. Masa, hey. Masa, who him girl? Then who him girl? There now. Who do Mama, I want to know what we do for what it. Where? Hey! Shut. What do you? What do you all? What do you? About what do you? Hey! I don't feel minimum go. Asa! Hey! Shut! Charlie. Ah, we are poor. You the crazy, you this guy. Who do you think you are? That professor will not go on the journey to anyone. Got a 5 in 3 hole. Hey, it's called trouble. Got it on the top after nothing. No, nothing yet. Go, Brahmi. Charlie. Send your tin and one yo. See your woman, what you say, Juma? Nothing happens at Juma. Juma. Yes, a boy, so no. No one shake guy in Rasta Nimpo. Guy no weirdo. No. I'm going to call us a helmet too. What's a helmet? Nitiano, a trip, I drank as a head. Hey, you come at the back. Why? Masa, be careful. Hey, Masa, what are you going? Hey, be careful. Ah, you don't smoke. Masa, who are you with me, boy? What do you want? Calm down. What do you want? Tell the chica. What are you doing? Tell the chica. Them sipon black. What be get what you? What are you mean?
Frank, what's the meaning of this? When you say hi and meet you, I don't know what I done for the money bay no ye wa hanum sano. I don't know why. Why are you embarrassing my friend and her boyfriend? Okay, so you are thinking about yourself and your job, baby. Won't you do one for the IMA, baby? What Jessica was? No Jessica no. If you guys have a problem, go sort it out somewhere. It's
better for you to tell your friend to give me my money.
Madam Masa, all money is can na minjina hobby. What's na make her show no?
Please calm down, sir.
Don't tell me to calm down. Advise your friend. Me person message as semni bio.
Sorry about
that. Wait a minute, baby, I said you pass over to somebody.
Yeah, now you Abraham, I'm sorry, this is Patricia. I say, yes, shut down so you say, baby, it was by mistake, and I'm going see. And I have baby, I know my packet car. It wasn't right. See, I'm a rough parking, so we now shots.
Frank, sorry. You know this is my workplace, okay? You know I don't joke with my work. I didn't obey, and this is supposed to be a place people come to relax and get their beauty needs. Obey, son, obey Pamo.
I don't have any issue with your friend.
I am not advising anybody. Me say woman is can na me njina ho. Papa Penny to say what me jina more bad you sika say. What do you want me to do?
I want you to tell your friend to give me back.
Did you tell me before giving her the money?
Shut up. Check.
That way.
80 million man.
Na 80 million mean who this can man na me jina benku na me jina nifa.
Sister, I want that question to Musami o. Dey me hear say me sika kura me. Anya sa wo yonko no. Ene adwuma.
When you I na obeshia ne wo. Na obeshia no na na this kind of share inside. Obetata wa ya me. Speak to your friend. I don't like them. Personally, me no benya asem because of what down for no.
I know the
What is he even doing here? What the mo be den wa han?
Well, what's the use of salary to the America?
So you want to use
You are messing with my business and my money. You see, yeah, I can talk to you anyhow I want to talk to you. Don't repeat that again. What's the
Your friend is messing with my life. He's messing with my money.
And now, I can't stand. Do you not know her workplace? Abraham,
please,
Jana yes as a bet was a comedy no.
Who never else a comedy. Massa what just in matter of fact what this kind of car waji.
I'm so surprised and I don't probably order enough from.
One now beside us I say me na me this car un me na me ji sika ne wo unse.
Who are that for man? Ah. Okay friend I know friend. No what do sika? Who are the woman to get is only the young friend. Don't push me. Don't push me. Push me. Who are you? Sister, let's have help you.
Oba ha mama ya show. Go and talk to him, please. Please. Dear Kobby.
Are you paid?
I need to calm down.
John. Hey,
I dare same kind and Tina Suko. I dare same. Babe, you know you're my sister, okay? When I may be sir, you would advise me. Send me. Would you need to be a money train? Say a boy, no, you
Bestie. Oh, say me medical catch say me be ma me obeto me lies so na say. Me di na dane ha na mama mesen. Nti say ya no den na metimi ya fa. Metimi nya hwe fa de me ya nse me ya che no because me kwa wo ha me.
Mama na che.
No,
baba ma ya che no.
Yes. Me che ni nyansa say next time. On fa na se eso nam na onwe. Omu ade na me wo hu me big girl to say me no aba be girl say me anti me pe on ga metimi nya on number. Number no wanya no. Ana menye bibia wrong. Nti say omu ade a me ya chi no tum. Ya chi de tum wi a next time okọ be na chi.
Babe, honestly, na moye we nim hanumentie me ni anje. You know I don't like it when there's commotion at this place. Unim sir.
Bestie, unim sir me nye bibi sir. Me kwa edempo. O say ye pie na ye ko no na me hu say oba wo. Nti me sheda yi mani kwa na me say wo hu say me obi nam obi twem. But no. You know, I just have to teach that guy a lesson. That's it. Because they're all here no. Me have boom arguments but you know what? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry it happened here. You understand? It wasn't intentional. And I only say me maybe biasa. You are my sister. Me to me mama say what you because the near cause of kana me near ubana on say even be nam the firm na. You know.
Hey, Tina. We are collaborating you. Hey.
Forgive me. Okay. Have you forgiven?
My anything.
Oh, Bessie.
The jai was when who boy you mobo. I call ye idea to say.
Me answer. Next time. Na me omo me mobo. Me di me oba bisi ase me di me fika e ma be mesi dan wie ye. Omo hu me mobo. Omo hu me mobo. Omo ye no mtu me to abonten. Is say dia me ma ye. So we be a work all day.
Yeah, me adom.
Let me chill. Get chill next time. One more thing. We power show. Yeah, no apa. Here I chill my wife Frank. Can't say me sorry pa. You know what? Me ni say me yes how. But on say like me ma show me do. Nti no me nya obi a me so I guess go dan me cry on say you never lie.
Yo, Mate.
But on a more serious note, touch me, okay?
Mate.
What do you touch me? Be sure. And if I'm good idea.
Oh, jama bibi jiji what? Bibi jiji.
You also dey achieve for me.
Na wa ya de bone nye una ode me kodidi.
Am me fa kodidi.
Wo fa me kodidi me kopa be se enko.
Ba ye do obetu ya wo. See you kodidi.
Sikana
ajo me fa won kodidi. So better me care. We do anu wetu ya.
Sikana ajo boy no we dey.
Boy dey. Bestie, where the mama fan ko why?
Okay.
Me fa we nka ho.
Just pour
Say
it.
my favorites.
Pour it out. But please return it. Return it.
Return it.
Okay.
Tina, Missy Gawe. Missy Gawe. Tina, sick me fancho. Says the kind of what Jeffrey wants. Tina, me the chow ye. As so. Me, Jimmy Canet, now is on the car. Why the chair?
Babe, wait.
Obia Buma, Jimmy Sims Cano. Maybe the channel. So you have money, make a some of the chair now.
So would you sit
Tina, I need my money.
Also, you okay. Mommy receipts, days now. This kind of mommy. I hear all the mommy. Days no. Day, dates, and time.
And witness.
And witness.
I also support it.
Well, you're embarrassing my friend.
Embarrassing.
What you will be Sika? Nasa, whatever you guys have going on, it didn't happen. Why are you embarrassing?
Your friend is a thief. So you better yes, your friend is a thief.
Or they told you so.
You
gave her money because you like her. You guys were in a relationship. It's a Sanya. Why are you embarrassing her? It's too much.
It's too much. This is just the beginning. Do you know that song? Where you are just here. I feel in a case here panam crossover. So first can I mamia? Tina, I'm telling you, everywhere you go, I'll follow you like MTN. I will follow you. And I will torment you to the point you give me my overall money before I leave your life. Madam for no. She's a scam, was scamming me. One man who's out to one rent it, your friend is a shop that. One can to a perfume shop, one can to a fear, one can say, what count me to go in a butcher. Ashame. Oh dear, today, me Patricia give me here music. I'm telling you. And says can swing your man in Canada. I'm telling you. Good dress support to Adam. So when you that,
I would get the money.
Wait time.
Misaka, member wa down for no
Yes, we are big suspect, I'm telling you. And that what the Unia Beman bed, and I'm also a suspect. Because Unia Beman, someone there, and one who didn't human or so, side man or what. Munina to the Munina, we work under one roof. We work under one roof. And very soon, Yako will be able to that. Now, maybe, dear, Tina, you've choose the wrong person.
Really?
Yes. Oh,
I didn't one cattle coat according to.
Now, I didn't tell the quote today, but also your size, and also you too.
How? Now, the feminine said, "Oh, so me meet me at the one what I'm so." Me.
I bless your couple. But let me see, can I bet you a jumbo?
Magic.
What's wrong? It's funny. Shay.
No, but my thing is, if you think say Waji will seek a report to a station.
Oh, sister, when you police case, me, I may be solve me case.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, yes.
And no, my arrest so because now we are no sitting.
Oh, can
you will be arrested.
I know because we're just the beginning.
You'll be arrested.
Arrested?
Yes.
You will hear from me. You will hear from me. Now, sister, I'm the first one. I'm the first. Who must hear? Who must hear? What the one put them? Hey! What the one put them? Hey, stand there. Hey! Guess what me a doing back to your put him so yeah, Bema, no, did you oh, son, no, much showcase. Hey, ye, when we I gave him to your breaking. Some the first students I need a member in the fast. A quite me first over to shop with own crumble there. So 100 millionaire, so 20 city, 50 city, 70 city that with you. I'm found to taxi by crab me, Mintia said that.